Alright, I don't know if you can get that on camera. I think so. So this is what matches up with this. I just kind of made it. I'm gonna put it over the lock. If it's out of place, I'll fucking feel it, because the lip right there. So you kind of just want to have it, you know. So once I have it pretty much all lined up, simplest fucking way to say it. Those two little dots line up to, you can probably see, is this shaft. The reason why that's important is because I'm about to drill out a lock. So normally I just kind of eyeball this kind of crap, but I figured I'll just make my life easier by making some kind of template, because I hate missing. When you miss, skins get all out of line and all out of whack and causes all kinds of problems. Yep, I give that good little 2 test. Alright. Alright, I hope the camera's fucking targeting this or whatever. So yeah, I take my little template here. So I can give myself a good reference point. So about right there. That's where I need to attack. Well, maybe I thought wrong. The other one. Yeah, so that one went. Yep, that's it. That was it. Yeah. So as you can see here, I fucked up on that one pretty damn good. Oops. And on the other side, I'm not trying to save it, I'm trying to preserve the core. So I went right in through here, and you can see I popped out right there. Yeah, this is the proper size bit. Completely torn that one up. Yeah, if you do it right, you'll actually end up saving the screws too. Now you can see it. Hope so. So you can usually end up saving the screws as well. And you can just use this as a key. Open her up. I'm saving this bit. And there she is. Anyhow, as you can tell, it's a vacant apartment. Boy, that would have sucked if it wasn't vacant, huh? Not like I've done that before, right? Anyway. But yeah, that's all there is to it. As you see, I saved the cores. Nothing really gets wasted here, everything except for the body. Because I think I grabbed a new one here. Yep. This is about the only part I actually really change out. Well, aside from this one. And the screws. I changed a lot of it out. Normally I go a lot faster at this, but because I'm creating a video, this is taking me a bit longer. I'm trying to take my time. Ooh. Hey dummy, don't you need the keys? Why, yes, dummy. Yes, I do. Me. Okay. Let's get my bit out of there. Let's put the Phillips bit in. Come over here. Stick her in. Yep, get it started with some finger action. There he is. Maintenance, but there's only 2 of us for this damn property. All 300 and something units. How do you survive? That's all we're doing, is just surviving. I highly suggest investing in some knee pads, like the ones you wear underneath your clothes. They'll take you a long way. Let's go ahead and put my bits back. Alright, yeah, I'm using the Milwaukee impact rated bits. I'm not a total Milwaukee fan, as you can probably tell by Ryobi, Husky, Crescent, Craftsman. I use whatever the hell tool I have. I mean, hell, this one here came from a refinery. Did some maintenance work for them. I ain't do that crap no more. Lesson learned. Oh, well, you move further, you make so much money. Yeah, but you know how fucking miserable you become working at them fucking refineries? I can't do it. Like, this is hard work that I do here. Oh, you know what? Actually, you know, this is hard work we do here. But them refinery workers, man, they built different. Everything about that is different. Like miss a line. There we go. I'm confused for a moment. I don't like using that one. She a little thick. This is the one I'm rekeying the vacant, so I can use for later. Yep. Nice and smooth. Got me another core. Adding that to my collection. These little smart thing rekey whatever tools, they're nice. Oh shit, that's right. I want to keep this and this. I'm gonna throw this, and that away. Anyhow. Well, let's take my kinda ass and get the fuck out of here.